My journey in dentistry has been long and complicated. I started out as a dentist, general dentist. I then studied further and obtained a degree which enabled me to treat patients with complex facial problems, a specialty of oral medicine. Also did a PhD looking at complex patients who weren't getting better with pain and fear of pain. Something very interesting happened in 1984. It was discovered in Sydney that a condition called sleep apnea existed. The first treatment occurred in Sydney using a vacuum cleaner which had the motor reversed, and instead of sucking out things, it pushed air into the airway. That was called CPAP. We realised quickly that it wasn't for everyone. Although it was life-saving for some people, there were many people who couldn't tolerate it. And at that stage, I became interested in dental management of sleep apnea and snoring. At that stage, not much was known, and the earliest devices were looked at, and dentists tried to perfect the devices, but there were a lot of problems.